हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू अवर चैनल मैथ्स एंड टिप्स बाय a.verma। तो चलिए आपके अपने चैनल पे आप सबका स्वागत है और स्टार्ट करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 7.3। लेकिन उससे पहले हम कुछ फॉर्मूले करेंगे। परमुटेशन का जनरल फॉर्मूला है, सपोज n है हमारे पास टोटल ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ठीक है। जो अरेंजमेंट्स आपको फाइंड करने हैं उसमें हम एट अ टाइम कितने यूज कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी यूज r आउट ऑफ n। ओके, total objects n, when we use r objects at a time, then formula for this is p n r or n p r, both are same, factorial n factorial n minus r. Okay, but when we have a word simple, for example paper, and we have to find all words by using the letter of this word, then total words we can form by this word. First we calculate number of alphabets used in this word, total alphabets, repeated or non-repeated, ठीक है, over. Suppose p repeat 2 times, then upon factorial 2. That means total number of alphabets taking in numerator general, and when one alphabet repeated, suppose r time, so general formula for finding total words by a given word is factorial n over repeated, suppose r1 r2 r3. There are, for example, 3 alphabets which are first repeated r1 times, second repeated r2 times, third repeated r3 times. For example, in this word p repeated only 2 times, then we take factorial 2. But in other words, suppose a repeat 3 times, then into factorial 3, r repeated 4 times, into factorial 4, and so on. Okay, there are 2 formula. Now exercise 5.3. No derivation is required for your exam purpose. Derivations are reduced. Exercise 7.3. Question number first. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9? If no digit is repeated, no digit is repeated. Total numbers. How many digits? 9. When we take 3-digit numbers, this is 3-digit number. Condition is this, when no digit is repeated. So we take 9p3. Simply factorial 9 over factorial 9 minus 3, n minus r, that is factorial 6. Now we expand 9 up to 3 terms. Factorial 6 cancel out. Multiplication of these 3 is our answer. Next, second one is question number second. How many 4-digit numbers are there with no digit repeated? Now we have to find 4-digit numbers and no digit repeat. Okay, total digits are 0 to 9, that means 10 digits. In 4-digit number we have 4 places, 1000, 100, tens and unit. But at this place, in 1000 place, we don't use 0. So here only 9 options. Remaining 9 numbers, we take any 3. In how many ways? 9p 3 ways. So these are total numbers, required numbers, that is 9 into 9p3. Okay, that means 9 into factorial 9 over factorial 9 minus 3, 9 into सेम यही क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा 9 into 8 into 7 factorial 6 over factorial 6 cancel out. इसको आपने सॉल्व कर दिया, राइट. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज question number 3rd. How many 3-digit even numbers? Even number decided by unit digit only. When unit digit is an even number, then complete number is an even number. When unit digit is an odd number, then number is said to be odd number. So in question number 3rd, how many 3-digit even numbers? When the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Digits if no digit is repeated, not repeated. Okay, how many digit number we have to find? 3-digit even number. 3-digit even number. Again there are 3 digits, 100, tens and unit. Okay, but at unit place we have only 1, 2 and 3 choices. 0 is not here. So when we use 2 here, remaining 5 numbers, out of 5 we take any 2 and multiply by 3. These are total such numbers or total required numbers. Clear है? Unit digit restricted है, that means we take 3 options and other 5 numbers, out of other 5 numbers we take any 2. That means 5p2 multiply by 3, we will get the required numbers. Okay, now question number 4. Find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Again no digit is repeated. How many of these will be even? First part, total 4-digit numbers. How many total numbers? 5. We take only 4. In how many ways? 5p4. That means factorial 5. Factorial 5 over factorial 1. So answer is factorial 5. That means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 multiply कर लेंगे आप, ठीक है. Now next part के लिए total 4-digit but even numbers. Now again even number, which digit is decide for even or odd? Only unit digit. So unit digit can be 2, either 2 or 4. That means only in 2 ways. The remaining 3 digits out of 4 numbers. In how many ways we take? 4p3. So such numbers are factorial 4, 4 minus 3 here, 2 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is our answer. Okay. Now next one is question number 5. Total है 8 persons, in which 2 persons can be chosen. In that way one person can hold only one position. That means for first position we have total 8 options and for another position we have only 7 persons. So total ways is equals to 8p2. That means factorial 8 over 8 minus 2, that means factorial 8 over factorial 6, or we can say 8 into 7, that means 56, right? In question number 6, find n. If n minus 1 p3 ratio n p4 equals to 1 ratio, apply the formula for p. N minus 1 factorial over n minus 1 minus 3 upon n factorial over n minus 4, and that is equals to 1 over 9, right? Now this implies n minus 4 cancel out, n minus 1, but n can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. So we have these two terms again cancel out and n equals to 9. That's it. Okay. Now क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, सेम इसी वे में आपने कैलकुलेट करना है, n का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है, उसके बाद आपने r की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. परम्यूटेशन का फॉर्मूला ही अप्लाई होगा. अब हम करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में क्या गिवन है, एक वर्ड हमें गिवन है, और वर्ड से रिलेटेड अभी हमने क्वेश्चंस स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कि वर्ड से रिलेटेड को क्वेश्चंस को आपको किस टाइप से डील करना है, वही सेम हम यहाँ पे अप्लाई करेंगे. 8th ऑनवर्ड जितने क्वेश्चन हैं वो वर्ड बेस्ड ही क्वेश्चंस हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में हमें गिवन है एक वर्ड है इक्वेशन, ठीक है. हाउ मेनी वर्ड्स विद और विदाउट मीनिंग कैन बी फॉर्म्ड यूजिंग ऑल द लेटर्स ऑफ इक्वेशन. इक्वेशन में कितने लेटर आप यूज कर रहे हैं, ई क्यू यू ए टी आई ओ एन. Total alphabets are 8. So total words is equals to, कोई restriction नहीं है, simply factorial 8, क्योंकि कोई भी alphabet repeat नहीं है. That is our answer. Okay. 9th question again same question है, but इसमें 2 different parts हैं हमारे पास. First part में तो simple है, how many words with or without meaning can be formed by the letter Monday. In Monday total 6 alphabets are there and no alphabet is repeated. So in first part total words is factorial 6 only, but in next part if 4 letters are used at a time, 6p4. Next part all letters are used at a time, that means 6p6. In third part all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. How many vowels we use here, O and A, 2 vowels. So first letter is either O or A, that means total 2 ways, 2 letters can be used at the first place, and remaining 5 alphabets used in 5p5 ways. So total words equals to 2 into 5p5. That is our answer. Okay. Now next one is question number 10. इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नाउ वन वर्ड इज गिवन, मिसिसिपी. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 एंड 2, 11. टोटल 11 अल्फाबेट्स हमें गिवन है. इन हाउ मेनी ऑफ द डिस्टिंक्ट परम्यूटेशन ऑफ द लेटर इन दिस वर्ड डू द ऑल 4 आईज नॉट कम टुगेदर. दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट, first we calculate total words formed by this word. No restriction is there. 11 factorial over I is repeated 4 times, factorial 4. S is also 4 times, again factorial 4. P is repeated only 2 times. Now solve this term. Now we calculate the words in which all 4 I's come together. How can we solve this? When 4 I's come together, that means 4 I's treated as single one. Total alphabets are 11 minus 4, but as single one, that means plus 1. जो 4 I's हैं हमारे पास उनको हमने सिंगल काउंट किया है, तो टोटल में से हमने 4 को सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, बट वो सिंगल जो काउंट किया दैट इज प्लस 1. ओके. अब I का 4 नहीं आएगा, केवल 4S और P का 2. ठीक है. नाउ दिस इज फैक्टोरियल 8 एंड फैक्टोरियल 4 फैक्टोरियल 2. इसको आप सॉल्व करेंगे and required words in which all four I's not come together. How can we solve? Simply first term, then minus second term, and we have our answer. Okay. Now last and important again, question number 11. Again interesting question है. एक word हमें given है, that is permutation. First of all, calculate total number of alphabets. How many alphabets there? Permutations. Check कीजिए. Permutations. 4, 4, 8 and 4. 12. Okay. Simple. पहले तो हमें total words find करना है. That is factorial 12 upon. Repeat. केवल क्या है? 2. No any other alphabet is repeated here. So these are total words. Okay. First part, when words started with P and ends with S. In this case, we can't use P and S in total permutations. So we have only 10 factorial in numerator and 2 factorial in denominator. Okay, do you understand? Now next part, when vowels are all together. Vowels are all together. जब हमने सब वॉवेल्स को एक साथ लिया है तो कितने वॉवेल्स हैं हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now these 5 taking as single one like this, 12 minus 5 plus 1, that means factorial 8 upon, repeated again factorial 2, but these 5 alphabets are different vowels. So they can arrange in factorial 5 ways. So total answer is factorial 8, factorial 5 over factorial 2. Right? Now, last and interesting part, when 4 letters are in between P and S. We have total 12 alphabets like this. Suppose P lies here, then S lies here. First way, when P lies here, S is here. When P lies at 3rd place, then S at 8th place. Okay. When P at 4th place, then S here. If P lies here, then S lies here, P and then S. Okay. And last one is when P lies here, then S is here. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 such cases which satisfy this condition. But P and S can interchange their place. So again 7 such arrangements are there. Therefore total ways equals to 14 into P और S. रिमेनिंग कितने अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं हमारे पास? 10. और रिपीटेड कितना है? 2. बस इसको आप सॉल्व कर देंगे, ये आपका आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज 7.3 कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज है. 1 और 2 क्वेश्चंस मिसिंग है, वो आपके होमवर्क के लिए हैं. ठीक है. इफ़ यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम देन कमेंट मी. सॉरी, इससे प्रीवियस एक्सरसाइज का डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. अगर आपसे वो एक्सरसाइज मिस हुई हैं तो आप उनको भी ट्राई कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही। यस, जो चैनल पर नए हैं वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर दें ताकि आगे की एक्सरसाइज उनको मिल पाए। ओके, बाय बाय।